It's December 7th, Saturday, last Saturday of the Pennsylvania rifle season, and I'm up here at the cabin in Tioga County. I got rifle season here. Got the orange on. Good old PA Orange Army. I got the, you can see here, I got the old Remington Odd 6, and we're sitting here over this little field back in these pine trees. Hopefully, I got a doe tag. Of course, I got buck tag left still, and so hopefully we can fill one of those here, up here for a couple days. So hopefully we'll see what happens. So remember, December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day. Go thank your veterans. Hopefully they come across down here. That deer was about 10 yards in front of me. Alright, it's December 8th, Saturday. Last Saturday, Pennsylvania rifle season. Still got a doe tag, and I checked my camera. I got a big 10 point, or 11 or 12. I couldn't really tell from the pictures, but at least 10 point. And I got a big 8 point, and now I've got a couple other decent sized 8 points, so hopefully we see something today, but we're filling tags. Alright, it's December 8th still, evening hunt. This morning saw one deer momentarily, don't know what it was, but now it's about almost 2:30 in the afternoon, so we're overlooking the same spot, just sitting at a different area. Hopefully the deer that came up to me Friday night, if they do anything like they did before, they won't walk right up to me. That's why I didn't get a shot, but I don't know know how much of that I got on camera, but anyways, so we're sitting here. Hopefully get something done. Alright, just shot a doe. Though I couldn't tell if I hit her or not, but we're gonna go check it out. Alright, so of course it's dark now. Saw a bunch of doe, shot at a doe. Couldn't find hide nor hair nor blood nor poop that shot out or nothing. So I looked for a good hour, even followed their tracks for ways to see if maybe just they didn't drop any blood. So got to the end of the night there, couldn't find anything. So went back and reviewed the footage, and it appears, as what I suspected, is that there was some brush in the way that I must not have seen, that actually the camera picked up, and you can actually see what I believe is the bullet to be exploding. It must have hit something prior to it getting the deer, and then it looks like it hit something and then deflected, exploded downwards. So the deer ran off fine, didn't get hit, is fine, not hurt at all. So she'll live probably another season up here. So a nice sized doe, but yeah. But anyways, that was the end of Pennsylvania rifle season. So next up here after Christmas, we have late season archery comes back in. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can make things happen. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.